Good morning, children. So, revision of second standard I have already given. Once again, I will revise. Once again, I will revise the question answers. Question answers, everything. Fill in the blank, match the followings and all. Okay. So, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. What is the color of your school uniform? What is the color of your school uniform? The color of our school uniform is grey and white. The color of our school uniform is grey and white. Where was the school? Where was the school? The school was beside Rushy Pool. Where was the school? The school was beside Rushy Pool. What was their uniform? What was their uniform, children? You don't write your uniform here. Uniform of the froggies, I am asking here the question. Their uniform was a green coat and a white vest. What was their uniform? Their uniform was a green coat and a white vest. Then, why was the farmer unhappy? Why was the farmer unhappy? The farmer was unhappy because his 4 sons always quarreled with one another. Why was the farmer unhappy? The farmer was unhappy because his 4 sons always quarreled with one another. Then 5th question, what message did Nathuram give his 4 sons? 4 sons. What message did Nathuram give his 4 sons? If they remained united, no one could harm them. What message Nathuram gave his 4 sons? If they remained united, no one could harm them. When do you celebrate your birthday? तुम अपना जन्मदिन कब करते हो, इसको तुम्हें यहाँ पे लिखना है. I celebrate my birthday, write here the date. What did mother prepare for the treat? What did mother prepare for the treat? Mother prepared a chocolate cake, sandwiches and mango ice cream for the treat. What did mother prepare for the treat? Mother prepared a chocolate cake, sandwiches and mango ice cream for the treat. How was the hall decorated? The hall was decorated with balloons. How was the hall decorated? The hall was decorated with balloons. How many friends do you have, children? How many friends do you have? You have to write the answer here. I have numbers. It may be 2, 3, 4. If you have many, you can write. I have many friends. Who is your best friend? My best friend is, write your best friend's name. Who is your best friend? Write here. How do the friends come together? Friends come together by sharing things and caring for each other. How do the friends come together? Friends come together by sharing things and caring for each other. For how long will they be friends? For how long will they be friends? They may part one day, but they will remain friends forever. For how long will they be friends? They may part one day, but they will remain friends forever. They will remain friends forever. Now, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Page number 21. I sit dash my friend in the class. I sit dash. Here beside you have to write. Beside my friend in the class. There is a big swimming dash in our school. Pool. In pool. My father wears a dash to office. My father wears a coat. C-O-A-T, coat. We must follow certain dash in school. Dash in school, that is rules. Rules in school we have to follow. Yes or no? Then, now, fill in the blanks. Nathuram was a dash, was a dash. So, Nathuram was a farmer, you have to write. Nathuram was a farmer. He had dash sons. He had 4 sons. We must always remain united. You have to write here united. So, no one can harm us. No one can harm us. Nathuram was very unhappy. You have to write, this dash will be given here. Unhappy in the beginning. Nathuram was very unhappy in the beginning. Now, fill in the blanks again. Tanya waters the plants in the morning. Tanya waters the plants in the morning. Tarun cleans his bicycle. Tarun cleans his bicycle. That is, here the Tanya dash will be there. Waters you have to write. Waters the plants. Tarun cleans his bicycle. Then, Tanya dash a letter to her grandparents. Tanya writes. Here you have to write, writes. Tarun dash piano lessons. Plays. Tarun plays piano lessons. Tanya dash a story book. Tanya reads. Tarun dash for tennis practice. Tarun goes. Okay? No. Then, fill in the blanks. Dash and dash keep friends together. Caring and sharing, we have to write. Okay? Caring and sharing keep friends together. Friends meet over lunch and in break. Friends meet over lunch and in break. Dash and in dash will be there. Lunch and break you have to write. Lunch and in break. They part one day, but without any dash will be there. You have to write here fear. They make dash friends, but keep the dash. New, old. In this way, you have to complete the fill in the blanks. Now, see here. What do the following people do? A baker bakes cakes and cookies. A baker, here dash will be there, no? Here you have to write bakes. A doctor dash his patients. Here dash will be there. A doctor treats his patients. A cobbler dash the shoes. Mends, M-E-N-D-S, mends the shoes. A soldier dash the country. A soldier guards the country. A soldier guards the country. In this way you have to write. Match, see here, page number 29. Match the gifts Tanya got. Write the answers in the given space. In the given space, friends gave her a painting set A, B, and answer should be here. Tarun gave her a set of storybooks. Grandparents gave her a new school bag. Parents gave her a pen set. So, friends what gave her? Storybook. A set of storybooks you have to write. Tarun gave her, what Tarun gave her? A painting set. Grandparents gave her a pen set. Parents gave her what? Parents gave her a new school bag. Have you understood? Friends gave her a set of storybooks. Tarun gave her a painting set. Grandparents gave her a pen set. Parents gave her a new school bag. Page number 32. See here. Page number 32. That is match each singular noun with its plural form. Singular, plural. Foot, fit. Tooth, teeth. Woman, women. Then goes, G-O-O-S-E, goes. Geese, G-E-E-S-E, geese. Goes, geese. Mouse, mice. Person, people. Child, children. Singular and plural, in this way you have to write. Okay. Now page number 36, that is put a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark, that is in this way. See here. Turn off the fan, full stop. Hurrah, we won the match. Hooray, we won the match. Exclamatory. Listen to the story, full stop. जब तुम बहुत खुश होते हो तब ये साइन दिखाता है, हुर्रे, इस तरह. और जब तुम्हारा बातें होकर बंद होता है उसको तुम्हें फुल स्टॉप डालना है. जब तुम्हें क्वेश्चन पूछना है, व्हाट इज योर नेम, दैट इज क्वेश्चन मार्क. व्हाई आर यू एक्साइटेड, what a cute puppy, this is exclamation mark. Close the window, please, full stop. What was terrible, that is exclamation mark. What will you do now, question mark. In this way you have to complete the question, full stop, question mark, exclamation sign. Make 5 words using letters in each of the given words and write them. Okay. Birthday, chocolate, decorated, sandwiches. So now birthday is there. That is BIRTH, birth, DAYD. That is BIRT, birth, day. Then THIRD, third. BATH, bath. Dirt, DIRT, dirt. Chocolate, that is late, LATE. HOT, hot. COOL, cool. ATE, ate. TEAT, डेकोरेटेड. तुम्हें ये शब्दों से एक शब्द डेकोरेटेड दिया है, इससे तुम्हें इतने सारे वर्ड्स बनाना है ये शब्द को लेकर. RATE, रेड. CORD, कॉर्ड. RAT rate, RAT rat, RAT rat, CARE care, and this is dare, DARE. Sandwiches, sand, SAND, CHASTD chased, wind, WIND, BIDE bide, and DINE dine. In this way you have to make, ये शब्दों को लेकर तुम्हें वर्ड्स बनाना है, So now whatever revision for second standard I have revised, I have given question answers, fill in the blank, match the following, whatever it is, whatever given, you have to write for three times and learn by heart. I have already given the portion, revision, everything is given. Your exam is on 28th, that is on Monday, no? So you do revision once again. The revision already I have given you, but again I have repeated, again I have told you for the second time the revision. So you do this very well and do the paper, write the paper well. Okay children, take care. Thank you.